Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Whatever time it might be, welcome back to my garage. We are working once again on another project. And today, it is going to be AC, refrigerant, exactly what it be. So, last year, a couple years ago, we've gone over the sealants, or putting this gunk inside your AC system to stop leaks. And on my truck, I have a leak. I have known it for years. Now, it's an older truck, 90,000 miles on it. It's just from home to work and hauling some stuff around. So I'm not going to spend thousands of dollars to fix the AC. What I'm going to do every year is spend about $5 to $10, replace the refrigerant, get through the summer, and just do it all over again. It is that simple. Sure, it's going to be costing in the end, what, 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 40 bucks? But it's not going to be thousands of dollars to rip apart my dash, get at where the leak is, and fix it. Because why do all that? So what we're going to do today is refill the AC and check the levels. Because a couple years ago, we put in that Red Devil, Red Angel, whatever it was called. And it worked at first, but over time, it stopped working. It is back to normal. I'm going to tell you that from the start. That's not going to be part of the video of does it work or not, because we know it doesn't work. What we're going to do is refill the AC from some refrigerant I got at Harbor Freight. Checking out that store. Love the store. Big shouts and props to them. They have some good stuff over there. And we're going to check to see what the level is right now. Fill it back up and call it a day. So let me take you along. We'll refill the refrigerant and have some fun along the way. So now that the truck has been heated up and it is running, we're going to go over here to the low side of the AC system, and we're going to take off this port right here. And this is what's going to give us access to the AC system and refill the refrigerant. And as easy as hooking it up. And getting a reading. So with mine, and what I like about this filler very much, is that it has a gauge to go with the temperature of the ambient. So that's outside temperature. And as you can see, the pressure is a little bit low. So I'm just going to refill it up so it hits the middle margin and call it a day. And there we go. The refrigerant was refilled, and surprisingly, not as much as it usually is. So definitely those sealants worked with the Red Angel, Red Devil, whatever it was called. It did some good. Did it do a perfect job? No. But I fixed it. $5, you can fix your AC system. Make sure it's running super good for the hot summer heat and get back on the road. You can do it in your garage. You can do it in your driveway. You can do it in the parking lot of Harbor Freight or wherever you buy your stuff. So with that, as always, thank you very much for watching, coming along with me in my garage, doing my chores, and having fun. So if you liked it, like, subscribe, comment. Make sure you hit that notification bell because I always have videos coming out. And with that, as always, I mean it straight from the heart. Ride safe, drive safe, seatbelts save lives, and keep at least 2 wheels on the road.